Hi everyone, what's going on? Beautiful weather today, and there is no excuse for my drone without the wind to be able to drift. So yep, this is what I'm doing today. It's been 3 days since DJI sent me my drone back, and unfortunately it's been drifting. I tried while I'm hovering around, it's going left and right. I tried while I'm going straight and it's going like sideways. So I can't ignore that fact because it's really important for a drone to keep it balanced, to keep on a straight line. So yeah, this is what I'm doing. I'm giving one last chance my DJI Mini 2 to see if it's actually drifting, because I will calibrate again for the 5th, 6th time. I don't know how many times I did it. Everything again, which also the control is the most important thing if your drone drifts. So yeah, this is what I'm doing today. I will give it few tests, and if the problem still insists, I need to send back my drone. That's another reason I'm doing this video, to keep you up to date on what's going on with my drone, and also that I will not be able to keep up on my schedule of uploading a video if I send my drone. So usually I upload every Saturday at 3 o'clock UK time, and most likely if I send my drone I will not be doing that. So this video, it will be up on Tuesday. Today it's Monday, and we are about to find out if the problem continues. I hope it doesn't. I hope it doesn't drift. I hope it gets fixed, because I don't want to go through all of the procedure again. And something to mention is DJI does a really good job. The support is amazing. I cannot blame them. They answered my emails, they answered the calls really quick. The service is absolutely incredible. So I don't want to blame DJI for this. Maybe it's just some error, I don't know. This is what I'm doing today. I will give it a test and let's hope for the best. If not, I need to send it back. Okay, for a start, I just uploaded all the logs and save them just in case DJI want to look about my flights and so on. And this is what I'm doing first. I will go and clear everything, even the firmware. I'm downloading again the latest update of DJI Mini 2. So it's time to do the calibrations again. Compass calibration done. We're moving on to gimbal calibration, IMU calibration, and for the last calibration we do the remote control. So we're done on the 4 calibrations. I updated again the firmware. I will also pair the aircraft again. So guys, as you have seen, I done my calibrations. I updated the firmware again. I done the pair with the aircraft, so there is no excuse for my drone to be drifting. First, I will just do the hover test, leave it there for a few minutes and see if it stays still. And afterwards, I will do a test going forward and if it goes straight or if it just goes left and right. Let's begin. So guys, look at this. It just doesn't stay in one single place. It goes left and right and left and right. So definitely I need to send it back. Time to do the second test, even if I don't have to, because I'm already sending my drone, but I will do it just for the video. So now I center my cross for the road, and I will be using the right joystick only, going forward and backwards, just to test if it stays on focus and if it moves. It shouldn't move, and it should just go straight ahead and keep it that cross on the road. So let's begin. You're already seeing that goes towards the right and already lost the focus of the subject, which is the road. So there is no point for me going further. Now look how off the cross is. time to bring it back and start packing it and sending it to DJI. That's it guys for today's video. I try my best to give it another chance to fix my drone. I calibrate everything at least 6 times. I updated my firmware, but nothing is happening. So now it's up to DJI to fix the drone. So DJI, if you're watching this, please fix the drone, as I have a lot of footage coming up and also a lot of trips. So regarding the procedure of sending your drone again, I already sent them an email last night, and they told me they need to confirm if I wanted to go through this, and I told them yes. So most likely today they will send me the shipping label so I can send it back tomorrow, and that's it. So thank you for watching guys. I hope if you have similar problem with drifting with your drone, to be able to fix it by calibrating your controller and everything. In my case it didn't got fixed, so I need to send it back. And regarding my upcoming videos, you need to have patience, as I will be waiting for my drone for maybe 1-2 weeks. So until then, have a nice week and see you soon.